Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to import medias from your file storage on CapCut. So for us to do that, you have to press your Windows tab button on your PC, then you can use the search bar top and search for the software called CapCut. Then you open it. Good. So once you have it open, then you're going to tap at this particular icon, which is this plus button. You tap at it, then it's going to take you down to your local storage. Then you can navigate and search for the media you wish to import from your local storage. So I'm going to tap at this because this is the video I want to import. And once I tap at it, then I'm going to open it. You can see, then you can simply long click on this using your mouse and drag it to your timeline right here. So from here you can simply perform your video editing task and how you want the video to look like and the special features you want to add to the videos. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.